with the angle the bedrock's going down, we can't get the front end bucket on the case to scoop any material out because one side of the bucket hangs up on the bedrock and can't get down into the deeper part. So Jeff's having to use the narrow bucket on his excavator and dig it out and fill the bucket up so we can haul it up to the pay pile. It's just a kind of a tedious process. But to the right of the water there is bedrock. It's diving down to the left. Unfortunately, it appears the bedrock is diving underneath that bank there, which is 20 feet high. And in order for us to follow it to get to the lowest point, if we ever could find the lowest point, we'd have to undermine the bank, and we're already at the boundary. So there's a stake right there in front of that stump. That's our boundary. So we can't go any further than that. And the other boundary is right there at the base of that cedar tree, which again is pretty much right at the top of our cut. And we can go back, a little bit more, but not much. And we risk having the whole bank cave in on us while we're digging and undermining it. So we're going to keep moving forward. Hopefully the bedrock changes to our advantage. Yeah. Yeah, so not much for me to do today. Usually I take this little bitty tractor right here and I scoop all the tailings and stuff up and move them away from the trommel, but we're not running the trommel today. We used up all our pay dirt, so we have to replenish. At the end of the day, we're going to pull the hydraulic cylinder off the end of that boom right there because it's leaking like a sieve. And we need to get it taken into the hydraulic repair shop and have them rebuild it for us. Anyway, not much going on today, not too exciting. Okay.